Hello, greetings to everyone watching. So this is NCOW tutorial, and this is my this is my fifth YouTube tutorial, but this is the second part for the employee class. So now we are going to create the main method to test our employee class to check if we did everything correctly. So the first thing we'll use 1011 as the staff number, coffee mug as the name, and 25 as the age. Create employee object and display employee data. So first of all, let's declare these values that we will be using. So let's go back to our employee class and copy this here. This part right here, let's just copy it and paste it here. So we don't need the salary part. You don't need salary. So these are the things we need. So let's say, let's declare their values. Let's give them their values. So the staff number we'll be using is 1011. The name of the employee is Coffee Mug. Yes, it's a weird name, but hey, we have to do something. We can suggest names next time in the comment section. And then int age. Age, we'll use 25 as the age of the employee. So now let's start with part 1. So part 1 is creating the employee object and display employee data. So here's how we do it. We create an object of the employee class. So we have to say employee. Then the name of the object, obj employee, equals to new employee. Now we select this one. Then it automatically puts in the name, the staff number, the name, and the age. So it does this automatically if you have declared these values before. So let me show you what would happen if I didn't declare these values first. So let's remove this part. Let's remove this whole part. So employee. Then we'd have to type these things manually, and you see how much time it takes and stuff like that. So to avoid all these things, just declare the values first, and then when you create the object, it'll do it automatically. It'll put in everything for you. You won't have to do anything else. And then now display employee data. So how do we display the employee data? Say system.out.println, and then obj employee dot to string. Now the second part says call increase method with 12.5% display data of the employee. So now we are doing the second part, which is call increase salary method with 12.5% and then display data of employee. So how do we do this? It's obj employee dot increase salary. Oh, okay, we were supposed to declare these things also, but it's fine. Let's just use 12.5. Just write 12.5 there, and then system out, and then you say obj employee dot to string. Then the third part is call increase method with 5.3% and display the data of the employee. So since it's similar to this, we can just copy this and paste it here, and then change only the value here, which is 5.3. Now, okay, you can take a calculator. You can use your calculator right now. And all you have to do really is take the initial 5,000 times 1 times bracket 1 plus the percentage, which is 1.125. So you multiply 5,000 by that, and we should get 5,625. So we can just say system out print line expected salary is 5,625. Then let's multiply this with the 5.3. So now what is our expected salary? It's 5,923. 5,923.125. So first of all, let's just say actual. Let's type. Okay. I think we are done. So let's run the file. Yes. Okay. Salary 0.0. Minimum wage 5,000. Okay, there's something wrong with our on the mouse now. So let's go back to the employee class. Oh, okay, let's go back to the overloaded. So here we are supposed to say okay, you know what? Let's also get the salary. Let's also get the salary as an input from the user. So double salary. Then we can resurrect this. Let's resurrect it. Okay. Let's go back here. Set salary. Okay, so now let's go back here to our employee test, and then let's give the value. Let's say it's 10,000, right? So double salary equals to 10,000. So now all we have to add here is salary. Now, what is the new expected values? So let's recalculate. So it's 10,000 times 1.1. So it's 11,250. That's our expected salary. 250. Then if we multiply this by the new percentage, it's 11,846 and 25 cents. Okay, so let's run the file again. Yes, let's see. So the minimum wage is 5,000 and the salary is 10,000. Okay, that's fine. Then we increased the salary. So now we're expecting 11,250 and we got 11,250. Then the expected new salary was 11,846 and 25 cents. And that's exactly how much we got here. So yes, we just tested our employee and found out that there was an error, and then we fixed it, and then now we know that our employee is fine, and then we have used the tester, and the tester is okay now. So now the third tutorial, I'll show you how to use an employee application to use input data from the user. Thank you for watching.